Hello, it's Melinda from Scrapbooking and welcome to our August release of paper napkins. The paper napkins are all my daughter's doing. She is 12 and learning about business with her schooling, so we decided to set up some napkins that you can purchase, and she does all the uploading, she does all the photographing, she picks the orders, she collects the profits, which is a word she learned way too quick. Typical kids. So we've got a huge variety of napkins this time. We've got some kid ones, we've got loads of Christmas ones. Great opportunity to get going with your Christmas cards this year. And wouldn't it be fantastic with COVID-19 to receive a handmade Christmas card in the mail? That would be fantastic. Or not even a Christmas card. Just make a card and send to a friend in lockdown, especially in Victoria, because we're going back to lockdown again. I think it would just make everyone's day if you went to that effort. So paper napkins are great. You can use them in card making, you can use them in art journals. I love using it in my art journals. I'll be having a few videos coming up soon showing you how to use napkins in different ways. Loads of designs. I love some of these geometric designs because they're great for backgrounds and tearing up into small pieces as well. Some of the image ones I use as a focal point, and I like to use them in my art journaling. Even scrapbooking you can use them in. A lot of home crafts as well. I've seen people decoupage napkins around light shades, on those paper lanterny things that you can get from the cheaper shops to give them a bit of colour. So you can do a load of things with the napkins. They're very versatile. They come in a huge range of patterns. Love the teacups. Teacups are gorgeous. Gonna have to do something with the teacups. And my daughter has selected a beautiful range this time to release, and she's already picking some for September. I think she just likes to raid her mother's stash. Yes, I have to admit, I have a napkin addiction. I can't walk past a pretty one when in store. So some of these napkins have been in my stash for several years, so they're just not available anymore. So snap them up while you can. They're actually on special, 25% discount between August 6th and August 13th, 2020, if you're watching this video at a later stage. We do put the napkins on sale periodically, and there is a bunch of other stuff on the website on sale as well. So loads of different designs, loads of colours, all sorts of things, from pastels to heritage ones to lovely ones with mushrooms, to abstract ones. We purchased a few more napkins lately as well while we've been out and about. We're a bit naughty. Not sure what else to say about my daughter's business and her napkins. She is certainly learning a lot about computers and how sometimes jobs can be rather mundane and repetitive. So it's a good lesson to learn, because as that age group comes through, they sometimes want things done very quickly and don't want to be repetitive. So it's good. She also picks the orders as well and packages them up, chooses some freebies to throw in your box as well. So we always send out a little bit of a surprise with parcels. So postage on our website is $8. Usually we will reduce it if you only buy a few little things, but unfortunately during COVID-19 we do need to send all our parcels trackable with Australia Post, just because parcels do go sometimes a long way around and sometimes missing for a while at the distribution centres, just because they've got a huge volume of parcels. So unfortunately we are not reducing the postage, because that's the cheapest we can get with the tracking number. But we do pop in the free goodies to help make up for the postage. It's actually amazing how much a few napkins will weigh. $8 is your maximum postage you will pay. If your parcel costs more to post at the post office, we pick up the tab. So you can buy as little or as much as you like and know that you can just pay the one postage price. If you are in the Bendigo area in Victoria, we do offer a local pickup service as well. So that's available on our website. We do have overseas postage on our website as well. Just be understanding that it will need to be sent with a tracking number, and it may take months to be received. So possibly might be worth waiting if you're overseas for a little bit for a few months, or even till early next year, just other than your parcel will just take forever to get there. And they're even taking quite a while to get around Australia. So I love all the Christmas napkins. I can't wait to, oh, I like that one, gnome on the mushroom for Christmas. Can't wait to start digging in and making some fantastic gifts with these napkins this year and some cards to send out. So thank you very much for watching our short video on all our napkins, and we've got some live Facebook demonstrations coming up on our Facebook group, which is Scrapbooking the same as our YouTube channel name. We will see you there. Bye for now.